my rubber band at me? Yep. You know what this means? Ah! Ah! That's right. I got a shotgun. Yeah. Hey guys, Chili Dipser, and today I would like to showcase this shotgun I made. Basically, two long rolls of paper stuck together. I sellotaped them individually first, and then I sellotaped it together. I folded this, and then put it over there, barrels, pulled it back over the handle, and then I just pull the handle up for it to fire. Die. Okay, that failed. Oh. Sorry about that. I'm just going to try to get it in position again. So yeah. That failed. I went on instead of... You know, where did the band go? Where did the rubber band go? Oh, found it. Anyway, that was my showcase. Got classic shotgun, 2 barrels. They don't actually come out the barrels, so yeah. I've also got, I want to show you a shot of me shooting with reloading, so yeah. By the way, this is going to be edited. I'm actually stopping the video, not pausing it. I'm stopping the video here. Then I'm going to make another video and I'm going to edit them two together. Alright? So, bye for this video. But you'll see me actually shooting from this angle. From this angle. On this angle. Right, well, I'll see you in a minute. Here we go, it's loaded. I better shut the toilet lid a minute. There we go. Now, fire. Why does it fire backwards? It's firing backwards, guys. So, I'm just going to reload it again. Alright, this time now I've got another one. Got another rubber band. So, I've got loads of rubber bands in my pocket, guys. So. And I have another rubber band. I'm just going to get it. Sorry about that, I just went to put the light on. Now I'm gonna shoot.
Hello?
See where that went? Now I'm gonna reload. Sorry about that, someone talking. Here we go. There we go. That one upstairs. But okay. I don't know why I'm not reloading. But let's reload so fast. Turn. You know what, guys? This shotgun is not working. Stupid thing. You know what? If you build a better one than me, then you're welcome. But to me, bad luck. Stupid shotgun. I'm gonna build a better one.